That's right there. That's iconicism. That's iconicism.
I'm glad this video ain't scratch and sniff.
Oh, no.
Y'all really know what's going on.
I'm going back to work. I'll see y'all later. I love you.
That was a beautiful moment. You know, just y'all saw it. Y'all know what it was. That just.
I'm gonna go get a bagel.
Yeah.
You want something?
No, I'm good, Tom.
All right, okay.
I'm good.
All right,
All right, man.
We've worked together for so long now. It's almost like, I don't know, it's kind of like we almost finish each other's sentences, kind of.
I mean, I don't think we've ever finished each other's sentences.
好，我们准备开始体验了啊！
Oh, I need a good time.
Give me the money. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get that. Right there. Get it. Come on. Go. Get it. No. You stay. Give me that.
Oh, sorry, man. You okay? Oh, I feel terrible. How much was it?
Oh no, it's on me, sir.
Thank you very much. I bet you'd like an autograph, huh?
Whatever.
Yeah. I can't believe it's me either.
One thing you change about the world.
What would I change?
I'd make people not hate each other because of their religion, because of their nationality, because of any stupid reason. If we could abolish hatred, we live on this gorgeous planet. Why don't we realize we're on a planet that gives us everything? Food, beautiful weather, sun, everything. Why don't we enjoy it? Why don't we spend time fighting and hating each other?